Did you know that you can print from your inkjet printer directly onto a fabric? It's super simple, and it's just one more option to get your colorful designs transferred over onto the fabric of your choice. Hi, I'm Brenda Lambert. I'm a TJC licensed instructor for Silhouette, and this is my doggo, who is completely unimpressed with my craftiness. We'll get back to her at the end. You've found your way to Silhouette Success, and I do hope you're going to join our little community. We're always looking at fun new projects, tips, tricks, tutorials, all of the good things. So hit the subscribe button down below and we can get started. I started in Silhouette Studio. I brought in both of these designs. I got them from Creative Fabrica, and I will put a link in the description below. I have my page set up for print and cut. My media size is set to letter. I combined the two images and made some modifications, and this is the design that I came up with for my doggy bandana. Now, I had every intention of doing this as a sublimation project, and in that case I would have mirrored my image, but when I sent it to my sublimation printer, the colors were not coming out right, which was telling me I needed to do maintenance on the printer, and I just did not feel like it at the moment. So I switched to plan B, and plan B is to do it on a fabric applique. I'm just using an old white sheet and some heat and bond. I cut both pieces to letter size and gave it a quick iron with my easy press, and then put it directly into my inkjet printer. Apparently I should have cleaned my regular printer first as well, because this corner and the top of this page are a mess. The ink from the rollers did transfer, but we are going to put this on a cutting mat, run it through, and see how it does anyway. If the registration marks are off, I'll go through, clean my printer, and try it again. This did cut in the right spot, and it cut all the way through. My mat, however, is entirely too sticky, and I had a real hard time getting the backing off of my mat. I definitely should have stuck it to my shirt a few times before trying this. The rest of this project is super simple. You are just going to remove your applique from the backing, place it on your project, and iron it in place according to your heat and bond instructions. Now, one of the bonuses to using the heat and bond is that I feel it's more durable and lasts longer than the printable vinyl. One of the downfalls, though, is that it is thick and kind of rigid. So these work well on, say, maybe a jacket or some jeans, something like that, something a bit heavier. Now, for the doggy bandana, it does okay because the design is just going to rest on her back. I'm not going to have it hanging down in front where it's going to irritate her at all. And as I talked about in the beginning of the video, sublimation is another option. However, not everybody has a sublimation printer, and sublimation can only be done on polyester. So again, this is just adding to our toolbox, and we want to pick the best material for the project that we are working on. Now, even though this project was really simple and I love the way it turned out, dealing with my furry friend is not so simple. She has decided she has had enough of my shenanigans and does not want to pursue a career as a supermodel. This is what I get for interrupting nap time.